Hi and welcome to Green. My name is Esmeralda and I post about everything that makes me happy. Today I have another treat for you. This is another game that I found on the marketplace. It's very small. It's another ultra tiny little solo playable game. And again, I had to leave this package on my kitchen table for over a week before filming this, so please let's appreciate my patience here. So I'm taking you along with the actual unboxing and to show you what I found on the marketplace, because I found another one. Also, this is a Kickstarter game that I did not back, and apparently everybody is getting bored of this game. I don't know why, but it's this one. I think it's such a cutie patootie. Look at this. It fits the criteria because it fits in the palm of one hand. So this is officially, scientifically, now a ultra tiny little board game. Actually, it's a card game, deck building game, solo, and it has 4 mini expansions and a co-op variant and a 2-player variant. Okay. It's called Micro Hero Hercules. And yeah, I think this just screams for another theme, actually. They should put another theme on it, different artwork. But I thought this was cute. So let's have a look and see what is inside the box. It's you know, the size of a standard playing card box. We get the rules, and we get this is for keeping track of your scoring. It's an ingenious method of keeping track of scoring. The quality of the cards is meh. It's obviously paper, cardboard. The finishing is kind of, you know how some cards that you can just flip and they slide across the table? Not these. These are cardboard, obviously cardboard. Okay, I have no idea how this game plays. There's a player aid for your turns. And are these 2 heroes? Is there a female version? I'm not sure. But this is Hercules. And apparently there is also a Omphale? Okay. I'm butchering this. Okay. This is the way to keep scoring. Okay. And these are your different, I don't know, technique blocks. Okay, so you get a bunch of cards. The aim of the goal of the game is actually to defeat all these different deities. I think there were 12. Are these double-sided? No. Ooh, look at this. That looks colorful and cute. Okay, as you can hear from me, I really have to figure out how this game is played, because I have no idea. Apparently, you can also get wounds. And really bad wounds. Deep wounds, okay? So let me figure out how this game is played. And if you want to see a playthrough, let me know in the comments. And there you have it. Another tiny little, cute little, ultra tiny solo playable game. Micro Hero Hercules. Okay, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more ultra tiny solo playable games that just fit in the palm of one hand, please look at my top 10 video that I made earlier. And also, if you like other top 10 videos about small box games, please binge watch my playlist. And like and subscribe. And I hope to see you on the next one. Enjoy. Bye.